Introducing Ingenico Desk 3500. In this video, we will show you how to set up your Desk 3500 terminal and go over the basic functions. Power and Ethernet. Start by connecting the terminal to power and Ethernet. Take the power cord and plug it into the port on the extension marked with a lightning bolt sign. Now, take the Ethernet cable and plug it into the port marked with the letters ETH. Paper roll. To install a paper roll, put the lever at the top of the terminal. Place the paper roll with the paper under while facing the front of the terminal and close the lid. Wi-Fi. To connect your Desk 3500 to Wi-Fi, press the black circle button located underneath the screen. Press the down arrow button to highlight Tetra Admin and press the green Enter button. Select Configure Wi-Fi, select Scan Networks, and choose the preferred Wi-Fi network you would like to connect to. You will see the Wi-Fi icon in the top left corner of the screen once the connection is successful. Sale. To perform a sale, press the green Enter button from the idle screen and press 1 for sale. Enter the amount and have your customer tap the card on top of the terminal. When approved, the receipt will be printed automatically. If you need a customer copy, select Yes. Reversal. To perform a reversal, press the green Enter button from the idle screen and select 3 for reversal, then 2 for reference. You can get a reference number from the original receipt. Enter the reference number and press the green Enter button. You will see the original sale amount confirmed on the screen. Select Yes to confirm the reversal. Settlement. To complete a settlement, press the green Enter button from the idle screen. Scroll down using a down arrow key and select 6 for settlement. Press 2 for Yes and then a corresponding button for Accept. Return. To process a return, press the green Enter button from the idle screen and select 2 for return. Enter the admin password, press the green Enter button, enter the amount, and tap, insert, or swipe the card. Admin menu. To access various settings, you need to access the admin menu first. From the idle screen, press 7 for Other and then 1 for Admin menu. From here, you can access reports, setup, clerk, batch menus, and more. Tips. To add tips, from the admin menu, press 4 for Setup menu. Enter the admin password and press Enter. Select 5 for transaction options and select 5 for tip options. To set up a clerk ID, press 2 for Clerk menu and press 1 for Add ID. To access the Reports menu, from the main screen, press the green Enter button and select 7 for Other. Choose 1 for Admin menu, then 1 for Reports menu.